That is our air filter, and here it is. I mean, it's literally identical to OEM. I believe that, yeah, hydraulic filter, which is nice. Then this should be our oil filter here. Yeah, lube filter, oil. And it has got a little protective cap on it. It's nice looking. It does have a relief valve. These are just plastic, you know? They're low pressure, so they're just plastic filters. And inside of them, of course, and you just kind of push it down on there. That rubber has like a bit of a seal to it. And you're gonna close that right back up. So we'll go ahead and do that. And that's that, like so. And then hook our bottom hose back up. Really minimal loss there on diesel fluid. Okay. The filters are nearly identical. They're the same height, the same size. This one's obviously feeling heavier. I'll go ahead and install that. Same size, same general makeup. I wouldn't say there's a whole lot of difference there. That's it. It's time to put oil back in this thing and call it a day. I will go ahead and start the engine and run it for a few minutes to make sure nothing's leaking, shut it off, and recheck those levels.